Hey everyone, welcome to another video on the Greek Street Bridge replacement project in Stockport. So some of you will know I've been filming this project since it started in March, but now we're getting to the main bulk where the cranes are in place to lift the bridge beams out. Apparently there's 200 bridge beams that need to be lifted out, so the videos are going to be on a more regular basis over the next few weeks. So if you can like, subscribe and share, I'd really appreciate it. I'll keep you in touch with the project as it goes along. As you can see here, them are the main bulk of the beams that are being lifted out. So what Network Rail are going to have to do is they're going to have to put some matting over the actual rails of the track, lower the overhead lines down. Then individually, the cranes are going to lift out each one of those beams and ultimately replace them. So you can see there, they've got two massive cranes in place. Because of the cranes, I won't be doing my usual loop-the-loop around the project because I simply don't trust myself with the drone to get too near them. So over the top of the rails, you can see the road rail vehicles in place that are putting the matting down. So getting the big style now. And something you don't see very often, a completely empty Stockport train station. So the railway's actually closed for roughly 3 weeks. It's going to be a pain, but it's got to be done, isn't it? So, like I said, if you can like, subscribe, and share, I'm going to keep more frequent eye on the project over the next week or two because hopefully them beams will be out soon and the new ones will be in. So, I'll catch you again on the next one. Thanks, everyone.